This one animation covers 3 greenhouses: the Harmony, the Hybrid, and the Mythos. Same 6-foot frame, same build, and what changes is the glazing. Before you start, open the boxes and check every part against the parts list. 2 people, half a day. And read this part carefully. Palram approves this one on a solid foundation or a solid frame. On firm ground or grass, only with their external anchoring kit sold separately. Gloves on while you are sliding panels, and shoes and safety goggles anytime you are working with extruded aluminum. Peel the film off both sides of every panel, and anything stamped this side out has to face outward, or you lose the full UV protection. Here is the difference. The Harmony is clear panels all round. The Hybrid adds a 4mm twin wall roof. The Mythos is twin wall on the roof and the walls. All 3 are rated to 90 kilometers an hour of wind and 15.4 pounds per square foot of snow. Full instructions come in the box, and you can download the manual free anytime from the product page on our website. If anything arrives missing or damaged, use the parts and warranty form there too. Not sure which of the 3 suits you? Come and find us at Canada-Greenhouse-Kits and start a live chat. Let's get you growing.